Hello everyone, we're back with another weekly video. Today we're going to show you all how we install interior holiday decorations. We have worked with this client for a couple of years now, and every year it's a pleasure to come back and make this space perfect for the holidays. For this interior decoration, we use various types of garland, Christmas trees, wrapped gifts, wreaths, and snowflakes. We want both areas that we decorate to be spaces that visitors, residents, and employees can enjoy during the holiday season. Our holiday decorations are as custom and unique as our clients. Whether it's residential or commercial, interior or exterior, R&A can help. We're still taking new clients for this year. Give us a call today. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. Thanks for watching.